Hey guys, Jeff here with Dustless Tools again. Today I want to talk to you about the D1619. It's a great little 8-gallon, very portable unit, made and designed for the domestic use for small contractors, general contractors that do small jobs. It has 2 layers of filtration. First layer, of course, is our awesome WUNDERBAG. Goes inside the barrel and keeps the barrel clean, collects all the dust and debris. You guys know all about the WUNDERBAG. The other layer is the HEPA filter. Now, this HEPA filter is located right here inside the vacuum. You can remove that HEPA filter very easily. If you're going to do extended water pickup with this vacuum, we recommend that you remove the HEPA filter and you put this foam filter on to save the life of your HEPA filter. The vacuum comes with a lot of different attachments. Of course, it comes with the HEPA floor tool, crevice tool, a round brush, soft-haired round brush, and a big floor tool brush with soft hair and rollers. This vacuum has some great features to it. Number one, it's got a filter cleaning mechanism. When you start to lose some suction, you just go ahead and plug off the end of the hose and you hit the filter cleaning button on top. You depress it a couple of times. And basically what that does is it blows back all of the air through the system and blows those filters off to restore your suction. When the lever up front is in this position, it exhausts out the sides. When you push the lever over to the other side, it exhausts out the front port. What's awesome about that is you can actually turn this vacuum into a blower. Take the hose out, you stick it in the port up top, and now you have a blower. The other great feature is it has a drain in the bottom. You can unscrew that drain plug and you can let the water drain out. If you need to let the water drain out at a further distance, you can actually unscrew the plug, plug your hose in, and run your hose out to a further distance to get the water away from where you're working. Again, the D1619, if you like this review, leave it in the comments. If you have any questions about it, put it in the comments. If you want to see any of our other videos, make sure to go back and watch those. And remember, stay safe out there, guys, and we'll talk to you later.